India is the seventh largest country in the world. But beyond its vastness, there lies something truly fascinating: its extreme points. From the snow-clad mountains in the north to the tropical islands in the south, from the rising sun in the east to the golden deserts in the west. Today let's take an extreme tour of India and explore the country's geographical extremes. India's northernmost tip is Indira Col, nestled in Ladakh. At a staggering height of 5,764 meters in the Karakoram range. This isn't just a place, it's a mountain pass, a narrow gateway between towering peaks, allowing travelers to cross from one side to the other. There are two passes here, Eastern Col and Western Col. Among them, the Eastern Col is India's true northernmost point. Back in 1912, two American explorers, Fanny Bullock Workman and her husband William Hunter Workman, ventured into the Siachen Glacier. During their expedition, they named this Eastern Col, Indira Col, after a form of the Hindu goddess Lakshmi. To the south of this pass lies India's Siachen Glacier, while to the north spreads China's Trans-Karakoram Tract. It is a land of icy silence, where history, geopolitics, and nature collide. At the other end of India lies Indira Point, the country's southernmost tip, located on Great Nicobar Island in the Andaman and Nicobar chain. Once called Pygmalion Point or Parson Point, it was renamed in 1984 in memory of Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, soon after her untimely assassination. Here stands a majestic lighthouse, built in 1972 to mark India's southern frontier. But destiny had a cruel twist. On December 26, 2004, the devastating Indian Ocean tsunami struck this very coast. The land around the lighthouse sank by nearly 4.25 meters, 14 feet, leaving parts of it submerged forever under the sea. Yet, the spirit of Indira Point remains, standing as a silent sentinel of India's resilience. For mainland India, however, the southernmost edge is Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu, the magical meeting point of the Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, and Indian Ocean. When dawn breaks, the first rays of the sun in India touch the tiny village of Kibathu, in Arunachal Pradesh's Anjor district. Nestled in the Mishmi Hills, Kibathu lies close to the tri-junction where India, Myanmar, and China meet. The Lohat River, a tributary of the mighty Brahmaputra, flows down from Tibet into India through this region. Here, every sunrise feels like the beginning of India itself. Far away, in the deserts of Gujarat, lies Guwahati Moti, a tiny village in the Kutch district, right near the Sir Creek along the India-Pakistan border. And here's a fascinating fact: when the sun rises in Kibathu in the east, it takes almost 2 more hours for the same sunrise to reach Guwahati Moti in the west. Such is the vastness of India. Technically, K2, Godwin Austen, 8,611 meters, is India's highest peak, but it currently lies in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. So, India's highest mountain today is the majestic Kanchenjunga, 8,586 meters, the third highest peak in the world, straddling the India-Nepal border in Sikkim. Its snow-clad summit is not just a peak, it's a crown of the Himalayas, worshipped as a sacred guardian by the people of Sikkim. And finally, India's lowest point lies not in its mountains, but in the fertile backwaters of Kerala. This region, called Kuttanad, sits 2.2 to 2.8 meters below sea level, a lush green land of paddy fields, coconut groves, and canals. Here, water is not just a resource, it is a way of life. From snow to sea, from sunrise to desert dusk, India's extreme points are not just locations on a map. They are stories of nature, history, and resilience. This journey reminds us, India is not just vast in size, it is vast in spirit, diversity, and wonder.